A invites B, you cannot invite people anymore. But B invites them 7 persons. Then B can help A. It means if you invite a person who can invite many people, you can always get a bonus. And you create a new team. B can always invite people for you. You can always get from B to A.